is nog nie verby. Kyk na myself in die spiegel en dan sê ek myself weer moet nog jy nie. My getuie wys my ek sien uit te mil. Jy gaan nie nog beter kan kry nie. Ek het so ver beweeg van my brase af. Hy voel nie soos my nie.
Yo, it's D-Dog, D-Dog the GOAT, bruh.
Place goals to remove the procrastinator, betraying you to put aside your passion. You're on the same page of life's book, pick up the paint, beat the brighter picture. That specific chapter could possibly change your entire story plot. Just be patient and pay attention. There's no need to pull a pistol, pussy. Promise every prayer's gonna push you. Leave plenty of room for improvements of people.
Ja, mas bubbles. Hey, mas spicy kom die queen uit. Windtyd, max spyt, die is seiltyd. 8 maande en niemand kan verby. Kyk by jakke aan, trappels dat mas bubbles waar die show steel. Big name, maar ek praat nie nog soos hy nie. Ek sing nie op sy feelie huid, wat is kwybrie. Man gespan ek soos 'n band, sê my nuwe wiele move. Ek kan nie kaas nie, my saam maar vir my penno.
Oh, it's D-Dog, D-Dog the GOAT, bruh. And my intuitions have been saying that you guys have been waiting for this one. I know that you guys have been humbly waiting for this one. No one has told me anything, but I just sense it. I have a sense, a tingling feeling like Spider-Man that you guys have been waiting for this one.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
Because I know this reaction is well deserved. I can't wait to check out this thing with you. I'ma just admit now to you, I already heard this track. I downloaded this track. I have this track on repeat already. So where this reaction is going to be fire because it's Jody.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Jody man, no one other than Jody man today with the track. Is it JD? Is it JD Jody man? Is it JD Jody man that we're reacting to today? I'm excited for this one. I say
Loser! You're a loser!
oh no, Jody man, my bro. Jody man never disappoints with any of his tracks that he's dropped. We got a reaction coming up with a track that has been like we've been itching for, We never knew this track was going to release, but this duo, man. Who would have expected Jody Man and Starboy Freaks to drop a duo track out of the blue just like that, out of jail?
You see how see Damien Richardson D-Dog. I see Boertjie I see Kalle Daimie, bro.
Because Jody Man and Starboy Freaks is that duo, my bro. That's why they won Duo of the Year, I think. Or that was Kaya Medusa and Junior King that won it at the P Hip Hop Awards. But these two should have won it. And yes, I know I got a little beard going here. No, I'm not trying to be in competition with San.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Just because I got a beard, I must still shave it. I must come fresh to the Kyk Vir Rhyme Cyphers. I say, oh yeah, you guys want to join the Kyk Vir Rhyme Cyphers and want to be part of the audience, watch how the shit goes down in the Afrikaans scene. There's a link in my description below for all and everybody that's watching this. Want to purchase tickets? Purchase now while you can. Only $50, I say. Rather spend that $50 on an online ticket and save the remaining amount that you would have paid if you paid $80 at the door and use it to buy something lekker for the event, I say, because I'm coming and I'm coming through with the Vietnam Killer. So if you guys want to come smoke on the Vietnam Killer with me, then you better come to the Kyk Vir Rhyme Cypher, aka the Bekgeveg rap battle. It's the biggest rap battling and cypher event of the Afrikaans scene this year. So you guys better stay out. Don't be a night. And just watch.
No more saying cuss words, guys. It's inappropriate and violent.
On Facebook and watch the lives and everything. Come join it and watch it live for yourself with your own eyes instead of watching it live on your phone. Oh wait, but y'all, we got Jody Man today. Let's check it out. Without further ado, let's introduce Jody Man onto the hot seat today. Oh yeah.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
Same time, Jody Man.
Oh yeah. It's Jody Man. Same time.
Same time.
Same time. Ah.
Moet jy nog worry oor my nie, ek dra nog swaar, die struggle is nog nie verby. Kyk na myself in die spiegel en dan sê ek myself weer moet nog jy nie.
Ain't no shortage in bars around here.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
My getuie wys
That is so deep, my bro. That is so deep. This man is going through so much pain, and so much trauma and like hardship in his life and shit, and like scuttling and stuff. Because we all know not every single rapper that's rapping that you listening to and stuff is actually living that lavish life like most artists and most people are trying to pursue with rappers and stuff. A lot of the rappers are still upcoming that are actually big. The big artists are still upcoming. Just hear that again. The big artists are still upcoming. But yeah, Jody Money is going through so much shit that he has to look at himself in the mirror and say, don't cry. There's no need to cry now. We can't cry now. We still got to push. We can still push. So.
Ek sien uit 'n mil, jy gaan nie nog beter kan kry nie. Ek het so ver beweeg van my brase af, hy voel nie soos my nie. Ek sê vir myself, gaan ek dit dan maak uit die bloed en geweld.
He pushed all his bras away. All his close bras he pushed away, but that's not him. He's not the type of bra to push his bras away, to push his bras in the stilte. He's not that type of bra. It's the effects of being like depression and all of that. You want to isolate yourself from the world and from your close ones. Yeah, I understand that, bro. I understand that. I don't care if you people say what you want to say, but I'm like that also, bro. I would rather isolate myself than saying the wrong thing to the ones I love and make them get hurt. That's how I'd rather isolate myself. I feel you, bro.
As ek dan desperaat, gaan ek dan klim op die veld.
Yes.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Dan siek om te sien, werk soos 'n masjien en alles vir geld. Ek moet my tempo control van enig.
Hey, yes, Jody Money the machine. See, I told you guys, man, he's an AI machine, bro. He's got no time to sleep, no time to rest. He's been working like a machine with his music, bro. Non-stop, 24/7 on the grind for his music, bro. You gotta work hard for what you want. And this man is a prime example of hard work, bro. This man is a prime example of hard work. And you know what's funny to me, man? This man's actually got a day job doing construction and stuff, and he still got time to put out bangers of tracks. He still got time to put his consistency up there. Just let that sink in also, my bro. Just let that sink in. So I say consistency and hard work pays off always.
Ek sê vir myself, gaan ek dit dan maak uit die bloed en geweld.
Hey!
As ek dan desperaat, gaan ek dan klim op die veld. Ek is dan siek om te sien, werk soos 'n masjien en alles vir geld. Ek moet my tempo control van enige ding, klim onder my veld. Sorry, as dit jy dan nou die, ek het dit gesien, as jy dan nou die. Jy het gechange, jou hare is lang, ons luister jy wie.
Hey!
Hy was dan so stil, maar kyk hoe sy nou is the devil in him.
This nigga just going crazy, bruh.
Hy was in 'n nou, hy was so skaam, hy was nie gesien nie. Hy was die man met die jokes, en nou maak hy skaars hier joke. Hy het gemeng met die guys te bou hy.
That's another thing that, like, being very self-aware of yourself and being very, like, you know, this man, like a vase, this man's got like his third eyes open, eh? This man is very spiritually, intellectually clever, bro. This bro.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No shit. The majority of people don't want to know or don't want to believe or don't think is real and all of that. This man knows the real shit about the world. He knows everything. And now, if you, let me just say this, man. If you're someone that is very self-aware, it's gonna be hard for you to like operate normally again. So you're going to be more serious than you used to be about life and about everything. That's why he used to make all the jokes, but now he's not even making any jokes.
Mis vir uit, sy is my getuie. Bras ek mis so getuie. Ek is vasgevang saam my vyand, maar ek gaan hom nie beklei aan. Wys hy my sal nooit op rappie, want my musiek is daar nie vir kippie.
Damn! Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Alleen in die storm.
Oh yes, oh yeah. At least we know that Jody Money is never gonna stop rapping. So shout out Amy for letting this man not stop rapping and not stopping with pursuing his talent and going forward with his rapping. This man is going to be on top of the world, bro. Like you said in that other track, my success is net loaded.
Ek het besef dat niemand die gaan my kom red nie. Hoekom maar hy wat ouens se wys? Laat die ouens jou die motivate. Hy het gekom met sy pork.
No one is gonna come save him. No one in this rap game is going to come save him. In his life is going to come save him. It's just him and him alone that's going to save himself. Listen to this man's words, bro. Listen to this man's words. It's eye-opening shit.
Ik sta niet voor kippie. Alleen in de storm, ik het besef dat niemand die gaat mij komen redden. Hoe kom maar even te onze wijs? Laat die ouwens jou die moed.
And now with what he said there, ne, about now he's gonna come save him. So why care when people are gonna demotivate you? Let them demotivate you and say that you're not gonna be shit in life, so you can prove those motherfuckers wrong. Every single motherfucker that doubted you can prove them wrong. That's why let them talk. Let the noise go on. Let the noise go on. Don't give a fuck about the noise.
Uitgekom met zijn volk. Toen ging ik om steek. Ik is Irie Milot.
Oh yeah.
Moet ik er nog namens record.
Ik is Irie Malone. Oh yes. See this? Oh yeah, ik is Irie Malone.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
As mijn leven vroeg. Hoekom voel ik zo boord? Jere heavenly God. Moet ik namens record. Hoekom voel ik zo boord? Sorry, as het jij dan nou die. Ik denk gezien, as jij dan nou die. Jou haren is lang en je dan gaat zijn. Ons luister jou niet. Sorry, as het jij dan nou die. Ik denk gezien, as jij dan nou die. Jij dan gaat zijn. Jou haren is lang, ons luister jou niet. Sorry, as het jij dan nou die. Ik denk gezien, as jij dan nou die. Jou haren is lang, ons luister jou uit. Ons luister jou niet. Wees zo uit, me zal nooit op een rippie. Van mijn muziek is staan voor de kippie. Wees zo uit, me zal nooit op een rippie. Van mijn muziek is staan voor de kippie. Sorry man.
Sorry man.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
I'm just not how short this song is. Like, look at her shit. Look at her shit. It was literally on like 2 minutes, man. And then the thing stops and it's just darkness, is just plain silence. I think, man, I have a feeling I know why Jody Man puts this little stick in here where it's nothing playing. Just so you can listen to the silence, just rethink on what this man just rapped and what this man just said into his track. I feel like that's why he put a little stick there. But nah, this is 100 times. I'm gonna say this 100 times, Summer. This is, what I'm saying now is times 2 billion and trillion, yeah. This is a certified banger times 2 trillion, bro. I don't know if that makes sense, but this is a certified banger. Yo, this is a definite banger for the books, I say. Nah, Jody, man, I can't wait for your EP Hard Crock to drop, bro. That is going to shake the Bloody P Hip Hop Awards, bro. I hear that's coming up soon also, so yeah, I know the P Hip Hop Awards this year is going to be lit as fuck. Nah, it's going to be more lit than the one last year that I couldn't attend.
2,000 years later.
If you guys enjoyed that one, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and join the familia, the For the Books familia, and keep updated with all the latest bangers that drops and all the latest Afrikaans hip hop that drops, as well with all the latest content, because we're going to be coming with interviews, podcasts, and a whole lot of shit for this channel. So just keep posted for that. We got more coming than just reaction. So we're going to be going up with the music scene this year. PE hip hop. Now we're going to be on top class this year, I say. But yeah, everyone that's watching this, I got a WhatsApp group you can join and just plug every single link that you can of your latest drops. I'll react to it. I'll gladly do a reaction on it. So just plug your links in that group. Join the group, plug your links, and I'll do a reaction to it. Happily do a reaction to it free of charge, because why do we need to charge one another to support one another? That is so fake, bro. Someone that you have to pay to support you is cock fake. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this one, like I said, subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn those notifications on, because I'm going to check you in the next one. This is D-Rock, D-Rock the GOAT with For the Books reactions. Bruh.